Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today we're talking about Robinhood and how to get a free stock. Okay, so here we are on the Robinhood browser app. I actually recommend just using the mobile app, but Robinhood allows you to buy, sell, and trade stocks in cryptocurrencies. Most of my portfolio is Bitcoin, but I do have like Snapchat and some other ones in here. I actually got this Snapchat stock for free when it was around $8, and now it's over $50. So pretty good gains by holding on to that one. But all you need to do to get your free stock, just sign up with the link down in the description. You're gonna get your free stock and then you can sell it and send that money to your bank account or do whatever you wanna do with it. I believe there'll be like a 1 week waiting period or something like that, so people don't just get their free stocks and then sell them right away. But I'm gonna assume most people are gonna do this on mobile. You would just go to whatever stock you got for free, go to sell, shares, type in one, review order, and then sell that. So that's how you would cash out, as a lot of people say. I don't like to cash out, I just hold on to whatever they give me usually, or I trade it for something else. But yeah, there you have it. Robinhood is still giving away free stocks. Definitely worth getting. Definitely check out some of the other apps down in the description as well. Lots of ways to earn even more free stocks and cryptocurrencies down there. I'll leave you guys with me opening 10 free stocks here that I got on Robinhood. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the